InVideo versus video. Which AI tool is better? Hey guys, in this video, I am going to show you which AI tool is better among InVideo and video. So, make sure to watch this video till the end and let's get started. So, beginning with InVideo. InVideo provides a wide range of customizable templates for various video types, from marketing to personal content. It features a user-friendly interface that simplifies video creation with drag and drop functionality. The platform offers advanced editing tools, including text overlays, transitions, and special effects. InVideo supports integration with stock media libraries, providing access to a large collection of videos and images. AI-driven tools help with automated video creation, making it easier to generate professional-looking content quickly. However, the learning curve can be steep for users unfamiliar with video editing software. Some advanced features are only available on higher tier plans. The platform may have limited customization for certain templates. Now, let's come towards video. Video offers an easy to use interface for quick video creation and editing suitable for users of all skill levels. The platform includes a range of editing tools such as text, shapes, and animations to enhance your videos. Video provides built-in tools for adding subtitles and captions automatically, improving accessibility. It supports cloud storage, allowing you to access and edit your projects from anywhere. The platform features various templates for different video styles, making it versatile for multiple needs. Some users may find the editing options to be less advanced compared to other platforms. The range of stock media and integrations is more limited compared to competitors. Certain features are restricted to paid plans, which might limit functionality for free users. Choosing between InVideo and video depends on your needs. InVideo is ideal if you want a broad range of customizable templates and advanced editing tools. Video excels in ease of use and automatic features, making it great for quick edits and simple projects. Consider your priorities for editing complexity, media access, and ease of use to make the best choice. That's all for the video.